Maths, and it's me, Priska Joseph. So in this class, we are discussing the graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay. So the class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Frequencies are given as 7, 10, 14, 26, 3. Okay. So I will just explain it. Okay, listen carefully. So less than. What is less than? Less than 10. Okay. If we consider less than 10, then the frequency should be 7, right? Because in between 0 to 10 there is only 7. Okay. So cumulative frequency should be considered as 7. And what is next? Less than 20. Okay. Less than 20. Consider both these intervals, okay, because 0 to 10, which should be clearly less than 20, and 10 to 20 also should be considered, okay. So which means 7 plus 10, that is 17, okay. Then less than 30, less than 20 and less than 10, okay. So which means 7 plus 10 plus 14. What is it? What will be the answer? It will be 31. Less than 40. 20, 14, 10, 70. All these numbers should be considered. Okay. So what is it? 20 plus 14, 34, 34 plus 10, 44, 44 plus 7, 51. Less than 50 should be considered. Okay. How many frequencies are there? 6, 20, 14, 10, 7. By adding all these numbers, we get 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 14, 31, 31 plus 20, 51, 51 plus 6, 57. Okay. Then less than 60. Finally, less than 60 is there. So adding all these numbers, what we get? 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 14, 31, 31 plus 20, 51, 51 plus 6, 57, 57 plus 3, 60. Okay. We understand this clearly. Similarly, we have to write more than values. That first we have to consider more than 0. Okay. Then how many values should be considered here? See, all these values are more than 0. Okay, so adding all these numbers, that is 7 plus 10 plus 14 plus 20 plus 6 plus 3, we get 60. Okay. Similarly, more than 10. Okay. So what is more than 10? See, 3 is there, 6 is there, 20 is there, 14 is there, 10 is there. Is 7 is considered? No, because it is in between 0 to 10 values. So we should not consider 7, and adding all these numbers, we get 10 plus 14, 24, 24 plus 20, 44, 44 plus 6, 50, 50 plus 3, 53. Okay, so 53 should be considered. And more than 20. Okay, so more than 20, what all numbers should be considered? See, from this to this, that is 14 plus 20, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 3, 43. Okay, now more than 30. What is it? Consider the last three numbers, 26, 3. Which means 29. Okay. Now, more than 40. Okay. What is more than 40? We consider these two numbers, that is 6 plus 3, 9, and more than 50. Between 50 and 60, 3 values are there, which means 3. Okay. And 60. Then how many values are there? It's 0. Here the interval ends with 50 to 60, so we say that more than 60 should be 0. Okay, so these all are the values for plotting a graph. Okay, I think it's clear for you. So no matter, let's draw the graph. Okay, so in this y-axis we consider the cumulative frequency. Now to tell you the values and mark it. Okay, it is less than 10. Then the frequency should be 7. Okay, so 10 is there and 7 is also there. So 10, 7. Next is 20, 70. Okay, 20 and 17 is approximately here. Then 30, 31. Okay, 30 is there and 31 is nearly here. 31. Next is 40, 51. 40 is there and 51. 40 and 51. Here, and the next one is 50, 57. So 50, 57. Last 60 and 60. Okay. So these are the points. Now join all the points. Okay. So it should be like this. So this is the curve for less than. Okay. If you use a graph paper, then you can clearly get the points. Okay, this is a rough sketch on it. Okay, so next one is greater than values. First, 0 and 60. Okay, on x-axis it is 0 and on y-axis it is 60. Okay, then 10, 53. Okay, it will be here. And next one is 20, 43. 20 is the 43. Between 40 and 45. Yeah, here. Next one is 30, 29. So 30, 29. Okay. Next one is 40 and 9. So 40 here. 9 is the. Okay. Next one is 50 and 3. So approximately here. And 60, 0. Okay. So joining all the points, we get a curve like this. Okay. So this is the curve for more than values. Okay. So this is the technique for plotting graph of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Don't forget. Okay, so by next class we will discuss problems, exercise problems. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.